Mm, no, this one still not. No, no. Yes. Oh, man, it is working. I didn't even expect this much also, but it is doing something. So, Subway Surfers has 3 lanes, smooth scrolling, jumping, dodging, fast assets. And ESP32 has limited RAM and a basic SPA display. Can an LLM bridge the gap? I haven't tested this full code yet. We are going to paste whatever Gemini spits out, flash it and see if it explodes or runs. But before that, let's do the physical connections first. Connect your ESP32 with the TFT display like this. So now we are going to add 4 buttons for up, down, left and right movements. One side of each button will go to GND of the ESP32 and connect the other buttons with D15, 19, 21 and 22. I'll show you how to. So we are going to use the D15 button for up, D19 button for down, D21 for left and D22 for right. Up, down, left, right.
Oh my gosh!
So this is all for the hardware physical connection, and now let's move to the software part. So let's copy the code, write it here. Okay, wait. Yes, and now flash it. The code is uploaded and I am very excited. Let me show you what is on the display. See, I don't know what will happen, but it is saying to press the buttons. Nothing of the button is actually starting the game. Oh sorry, I forgot to tell Gemini which GPIO pins of the ESP32 I'm using for the buttons. So let me tell it and get another code. Okay, wait a minute. Okay, so I've got the new code with buttons in the code, and let's try this one. So the code is uploaded. Let me show you. You see here, and now let's test what is being here. I see the same interface on the screen, and now let's push some buttons. This one is not working. This one also. Oh shit, man, it went off just like my nanny's teeth. This one. Okay, it is, the interface on the display is not changing with any push of the buttons. So let's get to the coding. Let's flash it on Gemini again. So this is the new code Gemini has given us. It is claiming it has fixed that problem. Let's see it. I have pasted it here, and now let's upload it. Oh, uploaded again. Now this time I am excited. Let's see what is happening here. No, this one still not. No. Yes. Oh, man, it is working. I didn't even expect this much also, but it is doing something. So let's crack what is happening and how to play it. Okay, so this button is not working, this button is also not working, this button is also not working, only this button is working. Okay, acha, it is working but only in the game. I don't know what type of Subway Surfers is this and how to play it. I don't know what is happening. I don't know, but it's kind of crazy thing, you know. Let's crack it fast. Ah, I crashed. Let's try again. Ah, I crashed again. It is more like a keypad, you know, car games, 2D games we played when we were kids. It is more like that. I think we can call it halfway surfers, not subway surfers. Hey, I have an idea. Here, down and up buttons are not working. Like in the game, there is no function of these physics. So what if we just add these two these two functions? Yes, up and down movements. Let's add this one. Let the interface of the game be like this, but let's add these two. Okay, let's see what Gemini now gives. So Gemini has given us the code with jump and duck escapes also. Now I have pasted it here and let's see what happens now. So let's see now. It is actually fun to play, even if it is not exactly like, I mean, not halfway also like Subway Surfers. Oh, I crashed, but I didn't see anything of jumping and deck. What if we jump? So this is all Gemini code at its best, and even good for the ESP32 also, because it has limited RAM, you know. Yes, you know, I know. So this is all Gemini can and my ESP32 can. We could much more, but we won't. We are lazy people, right? Inventors, all inventors are lazy. I believe it. I know it.